I'm here with Mike and Carl of RavenCon, the sci-fi event of the year. Now, I understand RavenCon partners with a lot of local organizations and schools. Tell our audience about those partnerships.
We do. Our biggest school partnership has been with Monacan High School. We've been working with them for most of the last 9 years. And what we do is we send some of our participants over there Friday morning before the convention to speak with the kids about careers in science and science fiction. Writers, artists, and scientists usually go over there.
Yes, and we also partner with the Poe Museum in downtown Richmond, since we're a little Poe themed. We also partner with James River Writers and Friends of Chesterfield Library, and we're also working on a partnership with the Cosby High School.
Oh, wow.
Working with the Poe Museum was Lenore's idea.
Oh, okay. Now, I understand that lots of people come decked out in these elaborate costumes. Is there a costume contest?
A big one.
Okay.
We have a wonderful masquerade every Saturday night at the convention, which you can pre-register for currently online at ravencon.com.
And you can come dressed as your favorite Star Wars, Star Trek, or CW sci-fi fantasy character.
Yes, I love that. Now, gaming is a huge part of this organization. Are there any special tournaments?
We do. We have a special Magic the Gathering tournament this time around, which is sponsored by Dragon's Den Gaming, and it's going to be a pre-release sealed deck tournament. We'll do two, one on Saturday, one on Sunday.
Well, that's awesome. Now, what is the future for RavenCon?
Well, next year is RavenCon's 10th anniversary, and we're planning something really special for our 10th, and so we hope people will stay tuned to what our plans are for next year.
Well, this certainly sounds like the sci-fi event of the year, and if you want more information or if you would like to volunteer, be sure to visit their website, ravencon.com.